How to save money in Cash App. So if you click on the bank icon right here in the bottom left corner, you will see this option for savings. So I'm going to explain how this works. So if we click on it, as you can see right here, you can directly transfer in money or transfer out money. But there are also some other options. You can set a goal right here for the amount of money that you want to save at your own pace. We'll track your progress along the way. If we click on continue, you can set a goal right here of how much money you want to save. There is another option for roundups, which means that you save money every time you use your cash card. So if you have a cash card right here, it will show you the saving options, the amount of money that you can save from using other or different services. So that's it, really. That's how you use the savings function right here. You can transfer in money to your savings account. So for example, if you want to do 100, it will transfer $100 from your account to your savings account. And of course, if you want to cash out, you can click on transfer out. So that's how the savings function works. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.